Hello everyone, welcome back to Stitch and Carry Curation, and this is the final part on how to make the men's stylish crossbody bag. Now let's get started. Now I'll be making the base of the crossbody bag, and to get the measurement of the base, I'll measure around the front of the bag or the back side, anyone, and the measurement is 29.4 inches. For the base, I will not cut out 29.4 inches. I'll cut out 30 inches. I'll add a 0.5 inches sewing allowance to it. The upper base is 14 inches by 3.5 inches, while the lower base is 16 inches by 3.5 inches. I will divide the upper base into two for the placement of the zipper. After that, I cut out lining for the upper base. Then I cut out the 14 inches zipper. I cut out lining for lower base too. And this is the fashion belt I will be using 54 inches length. Then I cut out small belt out of 54 inches length for ring holder. And lastly, I'll be using two fashion zipper with it. Now I'm done making the base to join the front and the back side together. I'll take the base, I'll fold it together, make sure it rhymes with each other and notch the midpoint of both sides. Then I'll also take the front of the bag, fold it together and notch the midpoint. Now I'll be joining the base and the front together, midpoint to midpoint, and start stitching it. Don't forget to always add your machine oil for easy sewing. Now I'm done joining the front to the base, I'll move to the back side. I'll take the back side, I'll fold it into two and notch out the midpoint. Now I'll be joining the base to the back side also. And that is how to join the base and the back side together. You can see the bottom rhyme with each other. Now I'll be using taping to tape both sides to cover the rough area to make it look neat. I'm done taping it. You can see how neat the inside is. And that is the essence of taping in bag making. Now I will turn it over to the front side. And this is how it looks like after turning it to the front side. Seriously, it's very eye-catching. Now I'll be adding the fashion logo to it at the middle. Now I'll be adding the ring adjuster to the long belt to close it up. Then I'll place it under the machine to close the mouth up. And the stylish crossbody bag is ready for use. And we have come to the end of the final part of this video. So if you have learned something from it and you are enjoying watching it, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, and give your thoughts in the comment section below. Bye. See you in the next video.